Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your Charms 2021 reading for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. And also make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. And those who subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, friends, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. And this is a charms reading, friends. We will be looking at how the year will be, your love life, your work life in the year 2021. So let us begin. Let's see, Libras. What is the theme of the year 2021 for Libras? Wow, we already have some card. Seven of Pentacles. You are waiting, friends. You are waiting for rewards. This is your year of reaping what you have, the hard work you have done in the past, this patience you have shown in 2020. It is all going to be rewarded in the year 2021. So congratulations. I see money coming your way. What else will happen? Yes, soulmate relationship. I think some of you are waiting for a romance of your lifetime, or waiting for some good friendships, or someone you can trust, or maybe a return of a partner. Yes, it is going to happen. You are going to be lucky in love, friends. You are going to find what you are looking for in love. So congratulations for that. And this is your year of rewards, definitely, Libras. And look at that, not just rewards, but success is coming your way, Libra. So, congratulations. Success in your work, in your career, in your education. I also see success in love life or family. Like if you are waiting for love, or waiting for a lover, or a soulmate, or twin flame to return, you will be lucky. You will be lucky, or you will feel like you are winning in all areas of your life. But there is some slowness in this year for you. Like you might have to wait a little bit for things to catch up. Like, I already feel you are ready for this success in your work and your love life, but you might, the dreams will come true. It might take some time to actually manifest in your life. So there is just like a bit of wait. Yeah, you're moving out of a relation, you're moving out of relationships or past. I see shifting, relocation. I also see that you are moving out of negativity and all those things, that were not good for you. You are saying bye bye. So this shift is taking place right now for you, Libras. But I do see that this shift is going to bring you a lot of success. It is going to bring you a lot of success. And I also feel that not only success, I feel reward. All this patience you have shown, it will be rewarded, Libras. Let's see your love life in the year 2021. Wow, Five of Swords, the Temperance, the Page of Pentacles, the Hermit, the King, the Queen of Cups. Wow, the Ace of Cups and the Empress. Yeah, I do feel the second half of the year is amazing for you. The start of the year is actually a little slow and confusing in your love life. Yeah, like you are recovering. I do see you start the year, or maybe right now you are feeling trust issues with a person, or there is confusion in your love life. See, your cards are flying, Libra. See, someone is not talking to you, or you are not feeling very social. And I do see that as you start the year, you will feel more clear about what you want in your love life, or what a lover wants from you, or how things are. Maybe they put you in a third party or trust issue. So you will be clear on what you want, Libras, as the year 2021 will start. You will keep things close to your chest. Like, you will not reveal a lot what is on your mind, but you will feel more confident, more balanced. And I do see that someone new will try to contact you in the year, in the initial first 3 months of the year. So Aries, Leo, Sag person could be coming towards you, Libras. I also see the later half of the year, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important for you. I see this person from your past is returning back. They want to start something new. This long distance relationship, someone who ghosted you, blocked you, someone who left you for somebody else, they want to come back and they want to apologize. But let's see, will you accept them? I see you will be okay in forgiving them and listening to them, Libras, but I don't see that you. Some of you might want to go back to this relationship, but most of you are like, okay, let's stay as friends. You don't want to keep any hard feelings because you are Libras, you don't keep hard feelings or forgiveness or grudges. So you're gonna forgive them and they're gonna come back, in the mid of this year. But I also see that again in your love life, there will be a lot of thought mid of the year, what you want, how you want things to be. I see this person is trying, your soulmate, twin flame, your lover, your ex husband, wife, your husband, wife. They are trying, your crush, they are trying to mature up. This person has been emotionally immature, but you are very mature. In 2021, you are very mature, Libras. You know what you want, you know who values you, who doesn't. So you are very clear on what you want, and that is why your love life is very sorted. Someone is coming, some new romance in the first half. In the mid of the year, things, past lovers coming back, and in the June, July, August, I do see this person becoming mature, the past lover, things getting better and emotional development happening. Yeah, see, from the page they are turning into this Knight of Pentacles. So this person is growing. You will see a change. You will see emotional maturity in them. Your connection will also deepen and grow. And also by the end of this year, they will definitely see you as this empress or the emperor, the partner or the dream person of their life. So congratulations, Libras. And yay, Ace of Cups. So they are going to win your heart at the end of the year, or probably from October to December. It is going to be an excellent time for your love life. I also see some of you could be getting pregnant at the end of the year, or maybe you may decide to get married or move in together with this person. So congratulations. So a good progression is happening. I also see it could be a new person you start to choose, instead of this person. But there is love, there is affection, there is a depth, and there is harmony coming for you, Libras. Let's see your advice, and then we're gonna look at your charms. Let's see advice for Libras for their love life. Wow, suffering in silence. I do feel that right now you have a lot of pain, a lot of anxiety. Someone is ghosting you, or someone you're not happy, and you can't even tell them, or maybe they just ghosted you and never gave you a chance to say anything. So they are going to come back and fix things. Heartache and loss, you are going through some tough times. You haven't recovered from this heartache, this third party, or this soulmate or twin flame. You haven't recovered, and neither they have forgotten you. So you both are suffering. They are suffering, you are suffering. 3 and 9, and look, 3 times 3 is 9, right? So again, it's the doubling of the energy. Movement, choices, decisions. Yes, 2021 will bring you choices in love. You will have a new person, and this person, past partner, coming back. You both will have choice to become emotionally mature and bring more love into your life. And also I see this person is going to choose you. In the past they didn't choose you, but in the year 2021 they are going to choose you. Moving on, again, 6 of why you keep getting these cards of moving on. I do feel this relationship has to progress. This person has to mature up, whether they like it or not. Your soulmate, twin flame, karmic person, crush, whoever this person is, they need to level up, and they will be forced to level up, whether they want. And again, see, this is 6, 3 3 6 3, and again 3 is 9. So wow, this is intense. This is a very important, numerologically very important year for you. Things will happen in synchronicity. You will see a lot of 3 3 3 9 9 9 2 2 2. New beginning. Yeah, see, Your person is being forced to mature up. I see you have already learned your lessons, Libra, so you are ready, but this person is going to get readied in 2021 and a new beginning is going to happen. So keep your eyes open, keep your heart open, try to forgive them, or because there is new love also coming your way. So keep your heart open. If you don't want somebody from the past, Libra, someone new is coming. So don't lose hope. We'll see the charms also. So let's see your work and career quickly, and then we're gonna see into the charms. Two of Swords, again decisions. A lot of decisions are coming your way. Ace of Swords, clarity will happen for you. And Nine of Pentacles, you are going to bring money, 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 money. A lot of money, Libras, for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, and the Devil, and the Ten of Wands. I do feel right now you are feeling very stuck or very much burdened with your work, or you feel like there is, I think you have a feeling right now that a lot of work is coming your way in 2021. You are right. Yes, it will be a busy year for you, 2021. A very, very busy year. Things are going to become things are going to become very hectic in your work, in your education, in your career. You might have to look after many things. I also see that you might become a workaholic, or you might become obsessed with your work or money, with studies, with education, or starting something new. If you are starting a career or a job or education, you'll become obsessed with it because you like it, you enjoy it, but it may become too much, so you might burden yourself. So stay calm, stay patient. I also feel that some of you are having some financial worries right now, which you are feeling very obsessed about, like what will my finances be, how it will be. You will find some relief in your finances in 2021. Your finances are going to improve. I also see if you are looking for a job, yes, you are going to find it. Someone you know or perhaps you worked with in the past, they are going to offer you this job, this job, this maybe a business offer, or maybe an education degree or something, or a chance to study with them. So someone is going to help you out, don't worry. I also see there will be choices in for your work and career and education also. Like some of you want to do your own business. You might start, but you may again and again feel like it is too much work. This business, this entrepreneurship is too much work. You want to go back to your own thing, or you may start doing two jobs in 2021. Like you are pulled in two different directions. Um, but I see both will bring you money, but time management will be a big issue for you, Libras. You will feel like, I don't have time. I'm constantly working. Where is my time? So, you have to you will find the right way. You will have to use your intuition to decide which way and how much work you will do. I do see you might start working and studying also. For some of you it will be very good, but it will make you very busy, very hectic, and also could cause you anxiety. Sorry, it may cause you anxiety or health issues, like you are working all the time. So you have to keep your health in mind when you're working. Keep your health. You might become obsessed with money or success, so stay balanced in 2021 regarding your work, your career, and your time management. You are going to be busy. Let's see some advice, and some decisions are there, so you have to take some decisions. Let's see some advice for Libras. Sacral chakra, your creativity is very high. You will start something creative this year, and probably if you're a dancer, musician, you might go into those areas. You might start speaking, public speaking, teaching, all those areas. Your creativity will be super, super high, but you will also feel fear. Sacral chakra is also fear, fear of creativity. Should you or shouldn't you? Fear of starting your own work. Fertility, the Empress, look at that. Yes, you are so obsessed about your work, about your career, about your business. Anything you start new this year, you will become obsessed with it. I do see that some of you have children, so your children will be doing very well in 2021, but you will still be like, oh my god, what will happen to them? Will they be okay? Will their career be okay? Yeah, of course, they will be fine. They are very talented. I feel your kids are very talented. Stand your ground. The Seven of Wands, definitely, friends. This year, you people will test you, like in some way. People will test you. Are you worthy? So look at that. You are going to say, yes, I'm worthy. I claim the whole world. And yes, Libra, the whole world is for you. Look at this success. Anything else? Advice? Triumph. You are going to be very successful. Some changes will happen. You may shift, you may relocate, you may leave an education, start a new one. You may, start working and studying both. So, movement is important. Changes in location will also be very important. Changes in your, changing your, working with creativity will bring you a lot of success. So let's see your charms, Libras. Let's keep these cards here only so we can have some extra guidance from them. Charms for Libras for the year 2021. All right, so you got a bead here. Wow, you have the letter E, T, and L. Tell. Yeah, communications are very important. Some of you may start working in a company that's known as Tel or Telco or some company like that, television, or maybe telecommunications. So you'll start working there. Hello, I'm a bad idea. I do see, you might get very obsessed with your work, and which might be a wrong idea. You should not become obsessed about working or about you are completely focused on your work. Look at this: fertility, sacral chakra. You just don't want to give up or even rest for your in your work, so you have to be careful. The wind chime is here, so changes are coming, positive changes are coming. You have this flower. This is like a medal, so you will be awarded a degree or some sort of an award this year. Growth, this is about your money doubling, tripling. This, look at this, the angel feather. You are very protected. You should listen to your intuition. Again, twin flame. A twin flame is very important to you, or a very important soulmate connection is coming. Mushroom, your fertility is very high. Some of you may have some psychic or psychedelic experiences, like seeing some very important messages through your dreams. Or you might start making those art, psychedelic art, creativity, drawings, music, electronic music, or maybe some other high vibrational music. So you're gonna, oh my god, look at that, I said music and here is the headphone charm. So yeah, you will listen a lot of creativity is very heightened for you this year, so focus on your creativity. Dragonfly, you are very connected to spirit this year, so make use of it. Positive changes are coming. Another dragonfly, I do see you will find people who are just like you. So if you are feeling lonely right now, don't worry. Good friends and new people are coming your way. Snowflake, your stars are about to shine. Your wish is about to come true. Fish, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Owl, studying and gaining knowledge is very important. Also, divine signs are very important for you. So keep your eyes open. The skeleton of a fish, let go of the old friends, let go of the past pain, the hurt, whatever you are carrying, let it go. Say bye bye. It's not easy. It will take you some time, maybe first 2-3 months, but you will release that past. And the heart, I think, take care of your heart, friends. You are doing excellently this year, so take care. The family is very important to you. Tree of life, family is very important, and you also want to increase your success, like maybe you or your family will, you will might join family business, or you might meet someone who has a lot of family business. You might help them or they might help you. Again, an angel feather is here. Look at this. Again, you have an angel feather. You are very protected, friends, very very protected. And look at this, the heart, and it's written sweetheart on this heart. Look at this, someone, there is someone who definitely loves you a lot. Things will get better in that connection. And there is this trumpet. So yeah, divine timing and important communications are coming for you. These beads are extra, just random beads. Let's see what else. Which are the important month? June is an important month for you this year. March is also very important. I told you March things will shift. January, February, March is slow, but from March things will shift. For June, July, and August, June is important. Three of Cups, celebrations, friendships are coming for you. I do see that you are looking for new friends, or new happy friendships are coming, whether you, and some celebrations also. Five of Coins, those who left, let you down, they are going to pay, you are going to recover from that, from those who hurt you, or caused you pain. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Giver, you are a giver, Libras, and you are going to find a beautiful giver in your life, a kind person, a nurturing person, maybe a friend or a lover or someone you work with. Yellow is important for you for the throughout the year. Yellow is the color for you. Four of coins. I see a very focused Libra throughout the years, which is a very good thing. And cow, it is a very motherly energy. This year is going to give you a lot of money, a lot of care, success, and you are like a mother towards your dreams, your goals. So it's a very beautiful year for you, Libras. Make sure to don't stay in the past energy and don't get obsessed about anything this year. Otherwise, it's a great year. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now.